traveled through the years, through waiting hearts and faithful tears. Then Gabriel came down one night and filled young Mary's heart with light. The King is coming, don't be afraid. God's word through you will now be made. Oh, the story's on the way, rising like the break of day. From Isaiah's promise to Mary's cradle, every word of God came true. Joy is dancing through the heavens, hope is shining fresh and new. Lift your voices, shout Hosanna, love has come to set us free. From Isaiah's promise to Mary's cradle, Christ is born for you and me. Mary and Joseph made their way, traveling roads that led to graves, searching for a place to rest. The child of heaven soon confessed. In Bethlehem the moment came, a baby born in God's own name. The angels sang, the shepherds ran to see the hope of every man. Oh, the story's burning bright, joy has filled the world tonight. From Isaiah's promise to Mary's cradle, every word of God came true. Joy is dancing through the heavens, hope is shining fresh and new. Lift your voices, shout Hosanna, love has come to set us free. From Isaiah's promise to Mary's cradle, Christ is born for you and me. Sing the prophecy fulfilled, Jesus Christ Emmanuel. From the promise to the birth, heaven's joy has filled the earth. Raise your hands and praise the King, let the whole creation sing. Hope has traveled through the ages, now it's here for all to see. From Isaiah's promise to Mary's cradle, every word of God stood firm. Joy is echoing forever, giving life to every heart it turns. Sing